Hello guys, welcome to Chomzi Official TV. Thank you for following my page. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel at Chomzi Official TV. So guys, today if you are from Arondizuogu, hey, you will understand this video. Hey, this is one of the video I shot during our 2024 Ikeji Festival. So guys, keep watching and enjoy your view. Man, if you're not from Igbo land, you are missing. Hey, so guys, thank you. Keep sharing this video. Okay, this is one of the famous festival in Africa. Even though Igbo people they come watch charm, it's done once in a year. So this year's festival has gone, so we are waiting for 2025 festival. So enjoy your view. Please share this video to promote Igbo culture and tradition. Thank you. I love you guys. Adamas love you.